Starting a notary business in 2025 is one of the best side hustles, and it can absolutely become a full-time business. Want to start a notary business in 2025, but you don't know where to begin? Maybe you've Googled it, watched a few videos, and you still feel stuck. Well, this is the only step-by-step video that you'll need. I'm breaking down exactly how to start a notary business from scratch, what to do, what to avoid, and how to attract clients without wasting time or money. And yes, I have a free notary business startup checklist to help you take action today. Let's make your notary business official and profitable. Step 1, get your commission. To legally operate as a notary, you must first get commissioned by your state. Every state is a little different, but generally you need to fill out an application, pay a state fee, and in some cases pass a background check or an exam. For example, in Ohio, you need to complete a 3-hour education course and pass a state test. So make sure you visit your Secretary of State website and follow their exact process. This is the foundation for your business. Don't skip this or guess. It could delay everything. Once you're commissioned, it's time to gear up. You'll need a notary stamp that's been approved by your specific state, a notary journal to log appointment, a dual tray laser printer, especially for loan signings, a high-speed scanner, and if you're doing remote online notarizations, you're going to need a strong internet connection, a webcam, and a RON platform. I list all of my recommended tools in the free checklist linked below. Next, you're going to choose your notary business model. Now is where you decide what kind of notary you actually want to be. Do you want to be a mobile notary that meets clients in person, or a remote online notary where you do notarizations online? Or you can just do both like I do. Mobile notary work is great for flexibility and higher fees per job. RON, or remote online notarization, lets you work from home and serve clients across state lines where permitted. Just pick whatever fits your lifestyle. I'll teach you how to make either profitable. Next, you need to set up your business legally. This is what separates a hustle from a real notary business. To legally operate, you'll need to register your business, an LLC or a sole proprietorship. You're going to want to get an EIN from the IRS. It's free. You're going to want to open up a business bank account, and you'll also want to get E&O insurance, which is errors and omissions insurance. This is so that way you can protect yourself against any legal issues that may occur in the future. And again, my checklist walks you through every one of these steps. Next, you want to market your notary services. This is where most notaries struggle, but it's the key to making money. Here's how to get clients. Set up your Google business profile. Create simple content on social media, like tips, behind the scenes, FAQs. Network with real estate agents, title companies, and law offices. And most importantly, and I cannot stress this enough, be consistent. You don't need to be famous, just findable. I built my notary business without going viral, and now I help others do the same. Starting a notary business in 2025 is one of the best side hustles, and it can absolutely become a full-time business with the right game plan. If this video helped you, grab the notary business startup checklist below. It has the exact steps, tools, and setup I recommend for all beginner notaries. And hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell because I drop a new video every week to help you grow your notary business the smart way. You've got this, and I've got your back. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.